So let's see another problem today, that is maximum distance. So here you would be given an array A of integers having size n, and you need to find the maximum value of j minus I such that a of I is less than equal to a of j. Suppose you have an input array which has the elements 3, 5, 4 and 2. You need to return the maximum value of j minus I, that is 2. Okay. So let's see what approach we are going to take here. Suppose our array has the elements 3, 5, 4, 2 and its respective indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what we'll do here is we'll basically sort this array. So after sorting this array, so we'll get a sorted array like 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Uh, However, you note here one thing, like our array is sorted. However, the respective indexes of each element will remain same. Suppose 2, after sorting the array, 2 is the first element, so 2's index 3 will remain in the same position. Okay, and 3's index 0 will remain in the same position. Okay, 4's index is 2, it will remain in same position, and 5 index is 1, it will remain in same position. So to make this sort of arrangement, we can take 2D array and we can achieve this. Okay, so once we do this, so we'll be traversing the array from the right end. Okay, and keep on calculating the maximum distance. That is the subtraction of two indexes. Okay, so let's see how we can achieve this by a code. Here, and within the main method we have created an array of size 4 which hosts the element 3, 5, 4 and 2. Okay, we are creating an object of the solution class which holds the maximum distance method, within which we have the logic to solve this problem. This maximum distance method accepts this array A and it returns the maximum distance as an integer, and we are simply printing that here. Okay, so let's see the solution class. So this is the solution class, and within that we have the maximum distance method. Okay, so here where we have an argument as the array, this one. Okay, so first we are calculating the length of this array and we are assigning it to a variable called n. We are creating a variable called max which holds the minimum value possible. Okay, that is this one, minus 214748368. Okay, as I had explained earlier, like we need to create a 2D array. Okay, so we are creating a 2D array here with the number of rows is equal to the size of the array, and the columns is equal to, we are defining two columns, so which will hold the value, okay, in sorted order and its respective indexes. Okay, so we are created two columns here. Okay, we are looping over this array here and we are assigning the value, putting the value in the first column. Okay, we have n rows and in the first column we are putting these values. Okay, putting these values in a sorted order, means we are simply putting that value now, but we'll sort it later. Okay, so this 3542 will be coming here. Okay, you see. Okay, so this does that. Okay, and the next thing what we are doing is, so we have two columns, so the first column's index is 0 and the second column's index is 1. So in the second column, okay, we are putting the indexes. Okay, indices of this. So 3 has 0 index, 5 has 1 index, 4 has 2 index, 2 has 3 index. So we are putting that here. Okay, now we need to sort this 2D array based on the first elements, means the values which are present at the column 0. So we need to sort it based on that. Okay, so we have created arrays.sort, and here by using the sort method we are sorting the 2D array based on the elements which are at column 0. Okay, so after sorting your array will look something like this. Okay, so 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Okay, but 2's respective index was 3, so it remains as it is. 2's respective index is 3, 3's respective index was 0, 5's respective index was 1, so 5 is 1, 4's respective index was 2, so 4 is 2. Okay, now what we are doing, we are defining a variable called max index which will hold the maximum index. Okay, and we are assigning to the minimum integer value possible. Okay, we are defined a variable called max distance which will hold the maximum distance. Initially it's assigned to 0. So what we are doing is we are looping from the right end. Okay, usually we loop from here to here. Okay, or in this case from here to here, but what we are doing here is we are looping from the right end. Okay, from here to here. Okay, we are looping from here to here. Okay, so we are doing for int I is equal to n minus 1, I greater than equal to 0, and I minus minus. So in each iteration we are fetching the current index and we are calculating the max index by using math.max method, which has the current index and max index as the argument, and later we are calculating the max distance by using again the max function, math.max function, in which we are passing the max distance and max index minus current index. Okay, and the result we are returning it as max distance. The output we are getting here when you are executing this. So we have got max distance as 2, so that is the expected output. So I hope you liked this explanation and you are able to understand what I am trying to explain. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such topics. Okay, thank you.